I'm Ling Yuan, application scientist here at LI-COR. In this video, I will talk about the 3 types of springs that are available. For the 6800, we have 3 types of springs available. They give different levels of tension or pressure. The white color springs, the silver color, and the black color springs. White springs, give the least pressure. So to test the spring and the spring with the arm, the mechanism, you can use your hands doing something like this. So make sure it is compressed. It can be compressed like this. If when you apply force to compress to the center, if they don't move, you want to turn one of the arm for several rounds and then try to compress it again, something like this. And this is the white spring, and when you compare, you can feel it takes more force to compress the silver gaskets, and the springs. And the black springs, they give the most pressure, and you can feel it's hard to compress. Okay. To replace the springs is pretty straightforward. Only one Phillips screwdriver is needed. So when the instrument is installed at LI-COR, at factory, we install the silver springs for the 3x3 chamber and the fluorometer. So the silver springs are installed at factory. But if you are working with delicate leaves and you feel the silver springs is giving too much pressure on your leaf, you may want to try the white springs. Okay. But usually the silver springs, they work well for most of the leaves. And if you are working with 6x6 chamber, or if you are feeling the chamber is not sealing very well, and you want to apply more pressure to the chamber, you can try these black springs to give more pressure to your chamber closer. To get the springs replaced, it's easy. Just remove 2 screws on each side of the sensor head and just detach the whole mechanism, the spring with the arm, and put another one with different tension, and use the same screw to put everything back. Okay, we have more resources on our support website. If you have some question, feel free to contact us at LI-COR or contact your local distributors. Thank you.